called Tumblin' Wind. Another rambling song. Tumbling wind, tumbling wind, oh tumbling wind, where are you going? Where are you going? I said, where are you going now? I gotta go, gotta get away, I gotta get away from where I've been. I know there ain't no escape from your sin. And I know the miles it takes, the miles it takes, the miles it takes to know why your mistakes, why your mistakes, why your mistakes are so precious. It's the tumbling wind, tumbling wind, oh tumbling wind, where are you going? Where are you going? I said, oh, where are you going now? Gotta go, gotta get away, I gotta get away from the city streets. Go back to the forest, back to the forest. She's a call, calling me in. Now I'm gone deep up the valley, under the shadow of the tall tree. And a storm is rolling over the mountainside. It's getting late. I don't know where I am, alone in this wilderness. Tumbling wind, tumbling wind, oh tumbling wind, where are you going? Where